How to unignore someone on Facebook Messenger. If you guys have restricted someone or ignored their messages for a long time and want to undo that, just follow these simple steps. First thing, open up your Messenger and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, you want to head over to your menu icon at the bottom right corner. Once landed on the menu page, you need to find your settings. Once you land on settings page, scroll down a bit until you find the privacy and safety option. Then from here, you can see who can reach you option. Click on the restricted accounts, and then here you'll see a list of restricted accounts on your profile. If you want to add someone here, click on the plus at the top right and you can add it here. And if you want to remove them from your restriction, then click on their profile. Now from here, click on continue. And now you have an option to unrestrict. Click on it. And now you have successfully unrestricted this person and you'll be able to contact them normally again. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.